Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have this little, we'll call it opening of a little tool for your cable, charging cable for your devices. And as a lot of people requested me to order this since they saw it on some YouTube short or something, I did do that, and here it is. And we decided to pick up the Jigglypuff. There's different Pokemons that you can actually order. This is what we received, and actually for a non-branded Pokemon product, I think it looks pretty decent. It looks kind of cute. Made-wise, it's completely fine, and you will need a cable of your choice, and then you're just gonna clip that over there. Actually, I think I will get a different one. Since that was a really thick cable. This is like your average loading cable. So then you're just gonna scoop that in there, and this Jigglypuff will sit on top then. And it's not the only thing that it does. It also is protecting your cable from breaking in certain areas. You will see that in a sec, because now we're just gonna scoop that over, and in this little angle here where it's getting from thick to thin, normally cables can or tend to break, and this actually holds it in place and prevents that from happening. So it is actually useful and kind of cool to look at, and kind of cute. There's a bunch of sleeping Pokemon and all that as well. We'll leave the description link, a link in the description for you if you want to check that out. So until next time, my name is Badger. I'm out.